Hello, good morning children. How are you? I hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. Okay children. So, today in this class I will explain you the book chapter number 2 Viman Uda. Okay. So, Viman means aeroplane. Viman means aeroplane and Uda means flew. Uda means flew. So, the name of our chapter is Viman Uda. Now, after this class, you will able to read and understand the lesson. You can identify each sound and words. Student, you will write new and difficult Hindi words. Your reading and writing skills will be improved. Okay children? Now, before going to start, let's take a quick revise of our previous class. Did you remember that what you learned in your previous class? Yes, we learned about vowels and their symbol. Okay, the first vowel is A. The first vowel is A. A has no symbol. A has no symbol. Can you tell me one word related with the A vowel? Yes, speak that, say that. That is Kamal or Anar. Anything you can say. Kamal, Kamal means lotus. Now move to the A matra. A vowel. What is the symbol of A vowel? One standing line. Can you tell me one word with A matra? Aam. Aam means mango. Now the next one is E. E. And the symbol of E is one standing line and small loop on the top. Can you tell me one word with that E matra? Yes, kitab. Kitab. It means book. Okay children? Now, look at the slide. In the slide, you can see some pictures. These things can fly in the sky. Okay? It is related to your chapter. Can you recognize this picture? Yes, the first one is aeroplane. The first one is aeroplane. It means the Hindi name for aeroplane is Viman. Viman. And our chapter name is also Viman Uda. Okay? Now, the next picture is of bird. Next picture is of bird. It means Chidiya. It means Chidiya. Chidiya can also fly in the sky, na? Yes. Now, the next one is kite. Kite means patang. Kite means patang. So, these all things can fly in the sky. Viman, Chidiya, patang. Okay, children? Now, move to our chapter. Okay? So, this is our chapter number 2, Viman Uda. And in this chapter, we will do the revision of E sentences, related to E sentences. So, in the slide, in the picture, you can see that an aeroplane is there and one boy is also there. His name is Vishal and his mother is also there. So, they are planning to go from aeroplane. Okay. So, first we will know what is the English meaning of some difficult Hindi word. When you will read this Hindi word, it will be clear to understand the chapter. Okay children? Now move to the word meaning. So, the first Hindi word is Viman. The first word is Viman. Just read aloud with me. Viman. Okay? It means aeroplane. It means aeroplane. Now the second word is Idhar. The second word is Idhar. It means here. It means here. Now the next one is ticket. Ticket. English meaning also ticket. Okay. Now the next one is dikha. Dikha. Show. And that side idhar udhar. Idhar udhar. It means here and there. Here and there. The next word is na ja. Na ja. Don't go. Na ja. Don't go. Now the next one is bada. Bada, it means big. It means big. Now the next one is, the last one is udna or uda. Udna, it means fly. It means fly. Okay children, now the word meaning is clear for you. Okay, move to our chapter. So we will do the practice on the board. Okay, first I will speak, then after that you have to speak along with me loudly. Okay, listen the voice and then try to read out the thing. Okay, now here you can see I wrote all the sentences related to the E matra. So let's start. The first sentence is Vishal idhar आ. Vishal idhar आ. Here in the verb you can see that we used E ki matra. Vishal idhar आ. It means Vishal, come here. Vishal, come here. Now the next one is ticket dikha. Ticket dikha. To also have that E ki matra. Do also have E ki matra. Ticket dikha. It means show your ticket or show the ticket. Okay. Now vah raha viman. Vah raha viman. That is the plane. That is the plane. Okay. Now the next sentence is itna bada. Itna bada. The aeroplane is so big. So Vishal is saying that, oh, it is so big. The aeroplane is so big. Itna bada. Now the next sentence is Vishal idhar udhar na ja. Vishal idhar udhar na ja. The mother is saying that Vishal, don't go here and there. Okay. Vishal idhar udhar na ja. Vishal, don't go here and there. The next one is ab viman par chad. Ab viman par chad. Now get inside the plane. Okay. Then viman chal pada. Viman chal pada. Now the aeroplane is going to fly. Now the aeroplane is going to be fly. Ab vah ud gaya. Ab vah ud gaya. Now the aeroplane flew away. Ud gaya, flew away. Okay children? Yeah. Now one more time we will read the English sentences. Okay? English translation of the content. Now the first one is Vishal, come here. Vishal idhar आ. Vishal, come here. Vishal idhar आ. The next one is show the ticket. Show the ticket. Ticket dikha. That is an aeroplane. That is an aeroplane. Vah raha viman. It is so big. It is so big. Itna bada. Vishal, don't go here and there. Vishal, don't go here and there. Vishal, idhar udhar na ja. Now enter inside the aeroplane. Ab viman par chad. It is ready to fly. It is ready to fly. Viman chal pada. An aeroplane flew away. Ab vah ud gaya. Okay children? So now we will watch the animation video of the story.
मान उड़ा। अच्छा बच्चों, बताओ आसमान में क्या क्या उड़ता है? चिड़िया, पतंग, हवाई जहाज। तुम में से कुछ बच्चे हवाई जहाज में बैठे होंगे। कुछ ने आसमान में उड़ता हुआ देखा होगा। हमारे दोस्त विशाल को हवाई जहाज, हाँ, विमान में जाना है। देखते हैं वह क्या क्या करता है। विशाल इधर आ, टिकट दिखा। वह रहा विमान, इतना बड़ा। विशाल इधर उधर ना जा, अब विमान पर चढ़। विमान चल पड़ा, अब वह उड़ गया। तो बच्चों, विमान में जाने के लिए टिकट लेना होता है। जैसे बस और रेलगाड़ी में जाने के लिए भी टिकट लिया जाता है। अब ये शब्द पढ़ते हैं। विशाल, टिकट, विमान।
Children, now I hope that you enjoyed that video. You understood all the thing? Yes? Okay. Now I am going to ask some questions to you. Can you give me the answer? Yes, you have to give the answer. So, look at the slide. In the slide, you have the questions. Okay. So, first we will read the question and then do the practice on the board. So, the first question is, Vishal ne kya dikhaya? What did Vishal show? Vishal ne kya dikhaya? What did Vishal show? Vishal has shown his ticket. The answer is ticket. You have to only write one word. Okay, you have to give the answer only in one word. So, what is the correct answer? Ticket. Vishal has shown his ticket. So, here we have to write ticket. How to write the ticket? You know that ta, then we have to use e ki matra. Okay. So, where we put the e ki matra? E before the letter or after the letter? E we put before the letter. So, we have to put the matra here. Ticket. Ticket. Okay. Now, the next question is, Viman kaisa tha? How was an aeroplane? How was an aeroplane? विमान कैसा था? विमान बहुत बड़ा था. So big. An aeroplane was so big. So the answer is बड़ा, big. बड़ा. Okay. Now the next question is, उड़ा कौन? उड़ा कौन? Who flew away? Who flew away? You know that answer? Yes, Viman, aeroplane. Okay, so we have to write here Viman. Again, va, then e ki matra vi, ma, na, Viman. Okay, children? Okay, children. Now we will do the practice of the book exercise. In the given slide, you can see that some pictures are there. Okay, you have to write the name of that given picture. These all names are related to E matra. E matra. Okay, so we will do the practice on the board. Here, in the slide, you can see that first picture is of glass. Okay, so what is the Hindi name for glass? Gilas. Here, gilas. Okay, ga, then e ki matra, e, gi, la, sa, gilas. It means glass. Okay, children. Now the next picture is of ticket. Ticket. How to write the Hindi ticket? Ta, then e ki matra, ti, ka, and then ta. Ticket. Okay, the English meaning is ticket. Now the next picture is of deer. Deer means hiran. The Hindi word for deer is hiran. How to write that hiran? Ha, then e ki matra hi, ra, na, hiran. Okay, hiran means deer. Now the next picture is of book. The next picture is of book. The Hindi name for book is kitab. Kitab. How to write that kitab? Ka, then e ki matra ki, ta, ba. Kitab, it means book. Okay, the next one, can you recognize the next picture? Yes, it is postman. It is postman. So, Hindi name for postman is Dakiya. What we call them? Dakiya. How to write Dakiya? Da, then ka, then e ki matra ki ya. Dakiya. Dakiya means postman. Now, the next one is sweets. The Hindi name for sweets is mithai. Okay. So, how to write mithai? Ma, then e ki matra mi, tha, e. Mithai. It means sweets. Okay children, one more time I am going to read this Hindi word. You have to read along with me. Okay. Gilas, ticket, hiran, kitab, dakiya, mithai. Okay children, now move to the assignment work. Okay, in the assignment you can see that vowels are there. So, what you have to do? You have to write two words which each of the vowel. Okay. Then the next one is worksheet. In the worksheet you can see some pictures are there. You have to write their Hindi name. Okay children. Now the next one is activity. You have to read this word, okay, and write it 3 times. Each word you have to write 3 times. It is for your writing practice, okay. One time I am going to read this letters or word. Just say along with me. First one is mat, man, hut, fun, jan, tan, fal, cub. Okay children, you have to write all these words 3 times in your good handwriting. Okay children, now I am going to show you one video of 4-letter words. How to make 4-letter words, how to speak that word. Okay, just watch the video, listen the sound carefully and try to recite it. Okay children.
शब्द बच्चों, आज हम 4 अक्षरों वाले शब्दों को बनाना सीखेंगे। अ, च, क, न, अचकन। भ, ग, व, न, भगवन। अ, फ, स, र, अफसर। न, भ, च, र, नभचर। ज, ल, च, र, जलचर। अ, ज, ग, र, अजगर। ब, र, ग, द, बरगद। क, स, र, त, कसरत। प, न, घ, ट, पनघट। अ, द, र, क, अदरक। थ, र, म, स, थर्मस। स, र, क, स, सर्कस। श, ल, ज, म, शलजम। उ, प, व, न, उपवन। श, र, ब, त, शरबत। ख, ट, म, ल, खटमल। द, म, क, ल, दमकल। त, र, क, श, तरकश। ट, म, ट, म, टमटम। ब, र, त, न, बर्तन। प, र, व, ल, परवल। प त झ ड़ पतझड़ द ल द ल दलदल क ट ह ल कटहल प ल ट न पलटन उ ब ट न उबटन द र प ण दर्पण ए ल ब म एल्बम ग र द न गर्दन द श र थ दशरथ म र ह म मरहम.
Children, I hope that you all will do the practice at your home. Just watch the video 2 or 3 times and then try to recite that words. That's all for today, children. Thank you.